Good morning, teachers and my friends. My name is Arnav Raj from 4th A2. Today I am telling about road safety rules. So, in first, road safety is a prime of importance as road accidents are among the biggest causes of deaths in the country, with the number of vehicles on our road increasing with every passing hour. It of the vital importance of everyone to have traffic awareness and understand the respect all the road safety rules in India. Road safety rules and regulations. Keep to your left. Keep to your left. Always drive on a right on the left side of the road and let other vehicles overtake you from the right side. Stay when you turn left. When turning left towards left, start approaching the curb of the leftmost lane and ensure there enough distance for upcoming vehicles to pass. Turn right. Come to the center of the road before you start turning right, but when going to around the curb, try to stay towards the leftmost part of your lane to avoid contact with oncoming traffic. Always overtake from the right side when being overtaken by another vehicle. Never increase your speed and prevent the other drive from overtake you. Be extra careful on interstation. Also, when passing through them, ensure the vehicles doesn't cause inconvenience to other road users. Right of way. Give a right of the way to vehicles in substance by letting them continue without stopping is in that particular instruction. By letting them continue without stopping it that a particular direction in which you are above proceed. Road safety rules. Emergency vehicles. It is your responsibility by give way to emergency services vehicles such as fire engines and ambulances. Pedestrians have the right of way at pedestrian crossing the zebra crossing. U-turns car only be taken when there is no warning sign nearby. You giving a proper induction to other vehicles drivers that you are going to take U-turn. Inductors. Always use inductors to let other road users know about the planet change in the direction of travel. The vehicles inductors get damaged without any warning. Use hand signals. Parking. Make sure you don't park your vehicle in a way that it causes hurdle and disturbance to any other road users. Registration. Your vehicle's registration plate should be visible at all times. In a case of broken or damaged, you need to get it replaced at the earliest. Driving vehicles with its regulation dumb not begin visible in the serious openness on the way of roads. Always drive only in the permissionable direction on the way of road. Also, never park your vehicles in reverse of the road street. stop lines. Always stop your vehicles behind stop lines on road with no stop lines. Make sure that your vehicles comes to halt before the zebra crossing. Towing. No vehicle should be towed closer to other vehicles on the road. However, vehicles that are marginally disabled at those confessed by the police are exception to this rule. Noise. Drivers should not horn and needlessly or excessively. No honking zones like hospital zones with non-open spaces. Silencers, traffic lights and signs should be always obeyed. One should respect instruction given by the traffic cop when there are no traffic lights available.